In 2023, we became the new owners of an abandoned farm in central Portugal. Follow our story of resilience, growth, and the pursuit of a more sustainable and fulfilling way of life. Together we'll celebrate the beauty of nature, the joy of learning, and the wonders that await as we embrace the Portuguese culture and create our own unique escape within the breathtaking landscape.
Golden light pours through the blinds, wash away the worries like a winding tide. Yesterday left far behind, your sweet scent fills my lungs open wide. In this soft light, troubles fade away with you. No need for words to say your love, a gentle breeze that carries me through. I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, I'd reach so high. Across the ocean, I'd soar with pride. For you, I give up my dreams, my hopes, my view. For you, what more could I ever do? I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, in the silent dawn, you stir from sleep. Sunlight paints your face in a golden sheen. The hush of dawn, a peaceful scene. A love that grows like a tender rose. In this soft light, troubles fade away with you. No need for words to say your love, a gentle breeze that carries me through. I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, I'd reach so high. Across the ocean, I'd soar with pride. For you, I give up my dreams, my hopes, my view. For you, what more could I ever do? I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, I give up my dreams, my hopes, my view. For you, what more could I ever do? I give up the world, the moon, the sky. For you, Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. And think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. tired of my second guessing, reading every text you sent just one more time. It's quiet when we both are sober, but 2 drinks in and we start all over again, and it feels so right. So just tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey, just lose my mind 'cause of you. Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours, so don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine, 'cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey,
So I've just popped up to the top of the land to get some supplies, I don't know if you can see, for doing some plumbing work. I had to take you for a little walk across the garden here because just look how green it's gone. It's crazy. I also wanted to show you a bit more closely the 2 lines that we ploughed. I'm going to try and do some more this weekend, but I'm just amazed that one pull of a plough can make such a difference to the ground. Let me show you. Seems like quite a good plough as well. Can do both sides. So there you go. So if we plough that whole square there, then maybe till it, or maybe till then plough, we can get some wheat in there for some winter wheat. And all the trees seem to be doing well. They're all going to that autumn stage where they're losing their leaves. But they've put on a lot of growth this year. Well, this tree has. This is a poplar tree. And it was about 1 foot tall. And now it is, well, 2 foot taller than me now. So it's about 7 foot tall. Sorry, 8 foot tall. 8 and a bit of foot tall. And all the other trees, yeah, they're starting to go into that dormancy period. But I'm just amazed at the grass. Oh my days. So if you're watching John, I've always had lawn envy. Maybe, just maybe, I can make this into a nice lawn. Maybe not quite to rival yours, but we can give it a go. That's half the fun, isn't it? But let's quickly see the knot pond. It's not quite a pond yet because there's no fish. It's not a water tank because there's not enough water in it. And it's not a plunge pool because it's not summer and it's again empty. It's definitely got a good few inches of water in there though. I'd say if we can get a little filter on that, then it's definitely an option to get some small fish in there. But yeah, I say it all the time, this is such a world of difference from what I've had back home. A garden 10 metres by 5 metres, neighbours popping their heads over your fence looking what you're doing. This is just, for me, it's paradise. So yeah, any people that are watching this that are on the cusp about making the move, we have zero regrets. We love it. We may not have all the same things that we have in the UK, but it's a different way of life. I would say, me and Sophia joke and say, We're poor in Portugal, but we truly are rich in having an abundance of food growing around us. As I'm walking over these chestnuts, we have a surplus. Rich in the friends we've made some really nice friends here. Rich in time and being around water and mountains, and I know we have that in the UK, but we never really seem to appreciate it because the weather was always so bad. We never had the chance to go and, I suppose, utilise them. But it's October and we're still going to the river beach. It's amazing. But anyway, back to the plumbing work. So the hole is a lot bigger than the fitting because I didn't have the right piece, but now I do have the right piece. It's a 32mm, so it's going to be nice and snug. Not for this, but for the floor. So I'm calling this rogue plumbing because the sizes, well, some of the sizes seem different over here, but also I haven't really done much plumbing. I've done some gas work, some water work in terms of like water, copper pipes, soldering, but never any sort of waste pipe plumbing. So yeah, figuring it out as I go. As long as the water goes from the sink outwards and there's no leaks, it's a success. It's a success. So let's first of all get some attachments on and then see where we're going to go into the ground. I'm really hoping that where it goes down, it's not going to be where the joist is. So let's find that. So it's all been jerry-rigged up, tightened nice and tight. Daisy, come to have a little look what's going on. You okay, Daisy? So I'm just hanging the sink and the fittings off the edge of the bathroom just to see if everything is watertight and working. I'm not too hopeful, but I want to check it all before we plumb it all in. Where are we leaking? It looks like it's leaking from here, I think. Let's try and tighten that up. Check once more. Yep, I think it's from the sink. So I had this here. I think it needs to go here. Take 2. Guys, take 2 was also a failure because this, the downpipe, the washer that I thought was in the wrong place, that's fine. Now the next joint, another missing washer. So I bought this fitting yesterday. It's a 32mm to 40mm. We do need this, but I'm gonna have to sacrifice the washer from this to see if this holds. So let's go. well, this is definitely not perfect, but there's a few sort of seals that the old rubber's gone brittle, so I think I'm just going to replace them all. But for now, it's somewhat waterproof. I think so. I start to put loads of water in, it leaks a little bit here when this fills up, so yeah. For now, let's just get it into place, line it up with the pipe at the back, and then see how it all fits, and then in the interim I can go to the shop and get some fittings because I have nothing here.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. As I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery. A significant light, just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
So it's in place. It's not yet watertight. I may have to get under this room to link up this downpipe to a 32 to 40 and then link that up to the waste pipe for the shower. It's in. I'm happy with the location. The waste pipe is quite hidden, which is good. The only issue is that it's not yet watertight. I need some 32mm tapered washers because, as you can see, it's not so bad. There's maybe a bit of a drip here. It's not too bad. It was worse earlier. Let me show you a bit closer up. So let's pour a bit more water in. So we're pouring. There's no massive leaks. There's a bit of a drip there. I don't know if you can see that. So these joints, this one here, and this one here, all need those tapered fittings. And some of them don't even have the fittings, and some have perished washers. So we'll change all those. In the meantime, I may venture downstairs. I might just have that for another day because it rained really badly, so maybe the ground has to dry up slightly. But yeah, it's in place. I'm happy with the location. I'm happy that we're through the floorboards without hitting a joist. So we're almost at the end of this project. Time to clean this up and get a nice sink, a nice tap. Not sure what to go for. Something rustic. Yeah, shame about the washers, but nothing's ever smooth, is it? Well, for a plant that I thought was completely dead, not a bad little haul of tomatoes, and also a load more jalapenos. This one especially looks amazing. So I've crushed a lot of the tomato plants down, left some of the fruit to rot down. I'll give these jalapenos another few weeks to see what else they can produce, and then I think it's time to put this bed to rest and do something else. Just walking in with this haul in my little pouch, and I almost missed. I just caught this one out the corner of my eye. There we go. How on earth did you get out here? Did you rescuing? Oh my, come on. Oh, there you go. How did you get outside? Hey? Come on then, go and play. Anyway, we were just about to film the outro, so let's just do it.
That's it, another week done. Lots done. Lots more to do, but that's all right. So I'm so pleased that we've got the tractor going, because that means we can get back tilling and brush cutting and ploughing, which is super exciting for all our veggies and to sort the fields out, because anyone with horses knows how much they trash it. The bathroom is just the finishing touches now, the decorative touches, which is my sort of
forte
realm, isn't it?
Well, so I think we're at the point now where maybe we have to sand and stain the floor, but that stain can almost be put away now. Yeah. We've done a lot of staining. Haven't we, Walt?
We should have had a loyalty card to the brand.
To be fair, we only used that's the second tin.
Yeah,
it goes a long way.
So yeah, so we've got so many things done, but so many more to go. We're going to continue chipping away at it. If you guys would like to see anything more, if you'd like to see more of the animals, if you'd like to see more how we're managing the land, it's definitely going to be olive season. We haven't quite missed it, so we're going to be doing some of that, and of course get cracking on this house. Yep. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, have a beautiful weekend, keep a smile on your face, and we'll see you Tuesday. Bye.
See ya. Walt, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Oh, he's not doing it now. He always does it. Come on, say goodbye. Walt, say goodbye. Hey, goodbye everyone.